Hi, I'm Pavel, a software engineer based in Hamburg. Today I'm going to show you how to turn 1 cent into a startup idea with a landing page draft. You will need little to no coding skills to run it. However, if you are comfortable with Python, it will be a huge advantage because you will be able to adapt the process to your specific needs. A link to a Colab notebook can be found in the description. Let's start by installing the dependencies and run this cell to load environmental variables. Here we are creating a prompt template to generate the startup idea. Feel free to modify it if you want to generate ideas in a different way. We set the budget and the industry variables that will be passed in the prompt template. Feel free to select from the drop-down or type your own. We are displaying a prompt that we are going to send to the ChatGPT. We then have to set OpenAI API key. You can create your own at this link. Once you have it, you can either paste it here or set environment variable. We then have to select OpenAI model. If you have access to GPT-4, you can generate even better results. In this example, I'm going to use GPT 3.5 because it's generally available and more affordable. Next, we are going to set the temperature. The higher the temperature, the more creative the result. Experiment with it to develop an intuition on which values to use. Let's generate the idea. When you are satisfied with the result, move to the next step. We are going to generate keywords for our landing page. They help you to understand if someone is interested in your service or domain of your idea. You can select a number of keywords that you would like to generate, and by adjusting the temperature, you can select how creative ChatGPT should be while generating your keywords. You can see the prompt template that we are using to generate the keywords. Again, feel free to modify. The next step is a very interesting one. ChatGPT has no knowledge about recent events, and a couple of days ago they released a feature called function calling that can help you to fill this gap. This is very new. Feel free to submit a GitHub pull request if you know how to do it better or more clear. We are defining JSON schema for a function that returns a list of keywords. We are printing intermediate values and the final result. Then we are using keywords to get information about them from Google Trends with Pytrends package. We are retrieving interest over time and plotting it. We are doing this manually, but you can imagine that with this input, we can call any function or external API. Function calling feature is very powerful. This step can fail if Google recently changed something, or if there is no information about your keywords on Google Trends. In any case, feel free to skip this step and continue with the landing page draft generation. I prefer to keep the temperature low at this step because I don't want to be in a situation where large language model makes up HTML tags or something like that. Again, feel free to change the prompt. If you are a seasoned developer, you can ask for React components. Let's generate the landing page. Then we are displaying the results. I'm very impressed with them. If you run the next cell, you can download your HTML landing page draft and open it locally. For an extra step, you can use a service like GitHub Pages or GitLab Pages and host your refined or draft landing page for free. To summarize, the OpenAI API became more affordable, and I'm excited to see new products that will use it. Feel free to experiment with temperatures, different industries, budgets, to generate results. An interesting result was generated by GPT-4. I really like it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching.